Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Aquarius, this is for the weekend of the 23rd of October and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Aquarius, before we begin, let's start with a little prayer and an angel blessing card and then we'll start your reading. So dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. Start with an angel blessing card. My angels, what blessing or advice do you have for my Aquarius for this weekend? Oops. A blessing or an advice, please. A blessing or an advice for my Aquarius, please. Okay, thank you. Be brave, Aquarius. I don't know what you're going to go through or are going through that you need to be brave, but we're going to keep this card aside and see what the rest of our reading is all about and what you need to be brave about. So let's begin your reading and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, for all your support to the channel. I'm very grateful for all your love, and if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. So Aquarius, let's see what's up this weekend. Just a mini read to see what your energies are all about, okay? Nine of Swords. Why are you stressed, Aquarius? Somebody left. Is somebody walking away? But you or the other person are still keeping a close watch on the other. There is a bit of disillusionment here, little lack of a sorry coming or apology coming. Somebody has to stay strong through it. Knight of Cups and the Tower. Okay. It seems someone walked away here or somebody is walking away here, Aquarius, from the situation. Maybe there's been a bit of a fight, somebody said something, and but still both of you still holding on. There's a fear of change here. So even if one of you has walked away, it's not like a complete, over kind of a thing. This seems like a mini fight, maybe a matter of commitment or in a committed relationship. There you both, I think, are still keeping a kind of watch with each other, trying to not be the first one maybe to apologize. I have the Page of Swords once again, saying the same thing, that nobody is really kind of coming forward right now, both waiting for the other person to come across towards them, and there is going to be movement, don't worry, Aquarius, there is going to be movement. Things will come back together. See, the Judgment card is here. Just hold your own, stay strong. There is a message or a love, yes, message. The minute I said the message card is here, Page of Wands is here, and there is going to be a romantic love offer or an apology or something made to you. Just hold your breath, hold your gun. Somebody is making a choice, or a choice will be made in love, and this is going to be shocking because it's going to happen really quickly, it seems. Yeah, if you're feeling the loss of love, Aquarius, maybe somebody's not been showing you that emotion, somebody's being a bit ungrounded here, maybe somebody said something rude and you felt, things are totally finished over. That's really not the case, Aquarius. Just see things from a higher perspective now. Things are going to come back into balance very, very soon. Okay? It may feel like things are over at the moment. Trust me, they're not. This person, whoever has left, is going to come back suddenly, and there's going to be quick, fast communication. Maybe they were a bit unselfish They were a bit selfish in the past, and they may have said something to hurt you or bother you, but I think this person wants to come back now. They are, yeah, they are missing their family, they're missing you, they're feeling stuck, and they feel all is lost right now. Ten of Swords spirit. Why are they feeling in the Ten of Swords? Yeah, because maybe you're not talking to them. There is no conversation happening between the two of you. Seven of Wands spirit. Seven of Wands. Yeah, I think somebody wants to now heal this broken heart and work on this relationship once again. So Aquarius, I don't know how many of you are going through this, if you guys have had a small fight, if somebody did walk away from you, if there were some harsh words exchanged, please know it's very, very temporary. Be strong with the Strength card, be brave, things will be put right. This person is not happy without you either. Okay, let's see what my angel's secret advice is to you. That is love here. Ace of Cups, Two of Wands, and the Empress. Yes, there's a lot of love here, Aquarius. Don't you worry. Both of you, I think, feel it deep inside. The person, I think, who left is, yeah, maybe at a distance from you, or they want to come back quickly and start something again with you. They have been thinking, they have been in crossroads, they have been a bit confused maybe, or they've confused you with their behavior, but I don't think anything is really lost here. If you have been feeling like this, Aquarius, uh, please be brave and bite this time, but maybe your partner is feeling like this as well, because they seem to be at crossroads, trying to plan, trying to see what should I do now, what what should I do now? A bit of a confusion here. They want to return back to their Empress here. Yeah, they are feeling lost without, they feel everything has come to an end without the love of their Empress. And they want to end the fight now, big time. They don't want to fight, Aquarius. So, one card for the Empress spirit. Maybe the Empress has been kind of being a bit defensive right now, but the other person, whoever has left or whoever was ungrounded or whoever said silly things and left, they want to come and reveal all. They don't want any more secrets between the two of you. Somebody is very eager to return and apologize because they're not happy without you either. They feel a big loss of love right now because they feel without the Empress, nothing is moving. Yeah, they really feel that the Empress has now withdrawn her love from them. They are feeling the Sun has gone. They're no longer feeling empowered, in control without this Empress. The Emperor needs to come back to their position. Maybe they've been a bit controlling in the past. Maybe they've been, they have been trying to be a bit bossy, and that's the reason the fight happened. But now they want to come back and be upright and be with their Empress once again. So just stay strong through it, Aquarius. Nothing is lost, I promise you that. Okay, this person has deep regrets, and they are thinking of ways and means how to return back to you. So if this weekend you have to just stay strong and wait for them, maybe they'll come back this weekend, maybe it'll take them a little longer. Just know that somebody is on their way back to you. Okay, the person who walked away. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.